this video, I'm going to teach you how to play State of Decay 2 with friends. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. You can play State of Decay 2, including a campaign, with your friends. To do this, you must connect your account to an Xbox Live account and then set up the session. So to start, on the home screen, click on this icon at the bottom left. This will open the multiplayer menu, and now you will be linking your account to Xbox. Of course, if you are already playing through Xbox, you won't have to do this, but if you are on Steam primarily, you will have to link your Steam account to Xbox. So choose on Manage Account Link. A new window will pop up and it is going to tell you if you already have established a link. So if you see this message, you have already linked your Steam account with Xbox, you are good to go. I recommend everyone who is going to be playing to do this, so ask your friends to also go through this linking process. After your Steam account has been linked to a Microsoft or Xbox account, you will be able to continue to set up the game. One of you will have to host a session, so whoever is going to be hosting, choose the settings at the bottom, and then under multiplayer, you will see host multiplayer game. By enabling this, when you go inside of the campaign or other modes, you will have the options to send out invites to your friends. Make sure that it is open to friends, so other people would be able to just join you straight away without the need for a direct invite sometimes. And you can also enable voice chat, but if you are using something like Discord, you might want to disable this. Now, once this option is enabled, you can go into the campaign, for example. Choose any character, start a campaign, and now if you pause the game at any point at the left side of the screen, you will see the invite slots here. So under guests, you can send out the invites to everyone who is going to be joining. They might also be able to right click your profile on Steam and join game, assuming that you opened your session to friends. When you click this, you will then be able to see all of your friends and you can send out the invites here. Once everyone is into the lobby, you can play together, and again you will see the link with Steam option here if you still need to do it. As long as everyone links their account properly and accepts the invite, all of you can play together in State of Decay 2. I hope I was able to help you on how to play State of Decay 2 with friends. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.